Desserts with poppy seeds just seem so Christmassy to me. So here we are with our poppy cookies called Mohnkipferl in German. You'll make the dough out of 200 gram butter at room temperature, 70 gram powdered sugar, 100 gram poppy seeds, 50 gram nuts of your choice, 1 egg. I had 2 yolks from another recipe, that's why there are no egg whites here. A dash of cinnamon and 250 gram flour to top it off. Knead this thoroughly until you have a smooth, non-sticking dough and toss that into the fridge to rest a bit. Once it is out of the fridge, take a small piece and roll it in your hands to a small snake and make the form I'm showing you here on a baking tray. Do you need to make this shape? Of course not, but the word Kipfer means this shape, and like this it'll seem more crunchy. Bake these yummy cookies at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Look how they're rising! Oh god, I love it. Yeah, I love these time lapses. I don't know if you have noticed, but I love them. As soon as these cookies cool off, dig in. Here it really doesn't matter if you let them rest or not. This was day 18, ladies and gentlemen. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our next video. See you tomorrow for day 19 of our Tasty Escapes video advent calendar.